Hi all. I'm back again. It's Ernie's workshop, and we have disassembled the grasshopper again, and hopefully we're attempting to make cylinder cocks. So I'll get a close-up view of this in just a few minutes. Looks like this got soldered in by itself. But anyway, this is the stainless steel rod that will go through a piece of brass, and eventually I'll drill two little tiny holes into the cylinder, and we'll see how that all works. Spending a lot of time doing this. I hope it's fruitful, but then again, that's what we got. There's a whole lot of time. Anyway, if you saw the video of my workshop, this is my clean work area. This is the way it normally looks. Yep, this is my clean work area, and kind of hard to see, but that is going to be the cylinder cock for one of the cylinders of the grasshopper, and we'll see how it comes out. Like I said, I have lots of time to play around with this. Hopefully it's fruitful and we get something done. Hi all. Well, I've made one complete cylinder with the cylinder cock in place on one side, and the other one has been soldered and pieces soldered in, and we'll see how well it does. Probably will get done putting it together today, but we probably won't have time to run it until tomorrow. In the meantime, what I'd like to do is show you what Cindy's been working on. So we're going to go upstairs and show you what she's been doing. She's been working on making masks for the medical profession rather. And now these are not the kind of masks that you would use in infectious disease area, but these are masks to use just to protect you from spitting on someone or keep you from scratching your face and that sort of thing. So anyway, she's made, I think, over 100, and I'll let her tell you how many she's made. This is Cindy's sewing room, and where is she? We'll have to go find her and see what she's done. Anyway, here is a whole pile of masks that she's been working on. Hospitals bring her the material, and then she sews them up, and then they bring more material, and then they send some out. Hey Cindy, how you doing? Can you tell everybody what you're working on?
And surgical masks for our local hospital, and to date I've made 93 masks, and I'm working on another 25 for them.
Can you show us what they look like when you put one on? You can see what they look like. I think they look spectacular myself. Thank you for doing this. This is really a good service for our community.
I lost my hearing. Okay.
All right, thank you. Does anybody else have this problem? You buy the RTV rubber, which is absolutely fantastic stuff, but when you want to use it, you find that the top is cracked, and there's enough solidified rubber to go in about 2 inches into the tube. It's plenty of stuff in the tube, but you just can't get it out. This is very frustrating whenever you use these. Yeah, there it is. I put the grasshopper back together with the cylinder cocks. Kind of hard to see, but I'll take a close-up photo and maybe they'll show up. Next process is to try to run it on air and see what happens with the cylinder cocks open and closed. Then I may even try firing it up without all the paraphernalia on it, just to see how it runs. Well, this is the grasshopper. This is probably my least favorite thing to do, is to do copper piping in such a tiny space, but I have to redo the fitting on the bottom of the boiler. This is where the steam's supposed to come out, but there was a little bit of a steam leak there, so I'm going to try to fix that, but it's just one of those things with a lot of little tiny bits and pieces of pipe in a place that's too small to really work. So I'm going to put it aside for now. I'm not sure I've really accomplished very much. It does have cylinder cocks now, but I tried to run it on air just a few minutes ago, and the leak on the bottom of the boiler was so bad that it needed to be attended to first. What I really need, though, is a street elbow and a union fitting, all to be fit into a space. Piece of material that takes up about 1 inch of space to be fit into a space about 3/8 of an inch. But then I was really good at drilling a 3/8 inch hole in a 1/4 inch piece of rod, so maybe I'm up to it. Anyway, that's all for today. I'm gonna post this video, and hopefully nobody gets too bored watching this, but that's what it is. And got a bunch of videos from Charlie on his fantastic outdoor portable railroad, and take a look at that. So long.